Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. If you believe that chocolate and peanut butter is one of the world's best flavor combos, you have to try this easy, fast and delicious homemade chocolate peanut butter recipe. So what we have here is basically a peanut butter plus melted chocolate chips, a little extra cocoa powder for extra chocolate goodness and a splash of vanilla essence for a nice flavor. This chocolate peanut butter spread only requires a few ingredients and few minutes to make it. It's also naturally gluten-free, vegan and dairy-free. Looking for a more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for tasty and easy video recipes. Let's check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the written recipe in the description box later. Let's get started. To make this recipe, you first make peanut butter. We need roasted peanuts to make this. You can roast the peanuts in a stove or oven or in the air fryer. You can skip this step if you are using the pre-roasted nuts. I roasted mine in the air fryer. I have given the link below in the description box for roasted peanuts in the air fryer. Roasting gives the peanut butter a deeper flavor and also helps make the oils looser and easier to blend into a smooth butter. You can use any food processor or mixer jar to make this peanut butter. Only time and monitoring may vary. Add peanuts to the jar. I'm using Instant Blender Ace Plus. It already has a nut butter option, so I'm just selecting that and scrapping in between. If you're using any food processor or mixer jar, it roughly takes 4 to 6 minutes to get the creamy peanut butter. The peanut butter will go through stages of crushed into fine powder, a paste, a thicker paste and a big dough ball. And then ball will break down into a smooth paste. I have given the link for homemade peanut butter in the description box below. If you don't have a food processor or a high-speed blender, you can use the store-bought peanut butter and just blend the rest together. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. I post the new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Look at the creamy peanut butter. Now add cocoa powder, vanilla extract, melted chocolate. If you want, you can add some more coconut oil for the nice creamy texture. And if you want to be little sweeter, you can add honey or you can add a semi-sweet chocolate chip instead of dark chocolate. Blend it for 1 or 2 minutes or until smooth and well incorporated. Store it in a glass container or an airtight container. I stored this at room temperature so that it will remain nice and creamy. You could store it in the fridge if you like, but it will get hardened quite a bit, making it difficult to spread. In room temperature, it lasts for months. If it is in the fridge, that lasts for several months. Wow, look at the creamy texture. Spreads nicely. It's great on toast, bagels, crackers, used instead of syrup on pancakes and waffle. Enjoy this healthy homemade chocolate peanut butter at home. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try the recipe at your home and give me your feedback in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible and see you guys in the next video. Bye.